Right, children, welcome to Brain Motion Institute. So, welcome to MyScore app. So, and first of all, I would like to say thanks to everyone. So, you have downloaded our own platform that is MyScore app. So, welcome to MyScore app, children. So, we have published many courses. I think you can check it. So, if you are interested, really interested to learn those all the courses, children. So, you can enroll children. I think you might have seen those courses. Okay. Right, children. So, welcome to Trigonometry Master Class. Right, children. See what you are going to learn today in this master class. Now, let's see now. So, please kindly be ready with pen and any rough notebook, children. Please kindly. So, what do you learn in this master class? See, why trigonometry? Okay. So, why there is need of learning about the trigonometry? The most important. Okay, and okay. Do trigonometry useful in your daily life? Okay, so this answer you are going to get today, children. Why? Because many students have afraid about trigonometry. So many students thinks that trigonometry is the most hard chapter, isn't it? The toughest chapter. But if you ask me the same question, children, it is so easy chapter, children. Okay, so you are on the right platform to learn about the trigonometry. So the next topic, children, what is trigonometry and history of trigonometry and trigonometric ratios. So as a part of introduction, children, so we are going to learn today's. Okay, for the coming next classes, we are going to get some deeply, children. Okay, so let's continue now. Right, children, let us start trigonometry, children. Right. So definitely, children, see, I'm going to give assurance to you. Definitely today, you are going to get an amazing experience of the trigonometry. So what this is trigonometry is much easiest chapter of trigonometry that we will think, children. Okay. Now let's start. Now why trigonometry? Now let us learn why there is need of learning about the trigonometry. Okay. Before learning what is trigonometry, so why there is need of learning about the trigonometry? Understood? So let's see, children. For example, let me take one general example. For example, I am taking a student Rutika. Rutika, hi. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Right. So, for example, Rutika wants to see Taj Mahal. She went to Agra and she has visited the Taj Mahal, isn't it? So she's standing here, children. I think you are able to see the girl image. Now, no one can admit, right? So, children, so Vritika wants to see, wants to visit Agra, children. So to see the Taj Mahal, the historical construction. So she's standing and she's observing this entire Taj Mahal, children. So what she wants to see, children? She wants to find the height of the Taj Mahal, entire height of the Taj Mahal. So, children, we can find the use height, children. So, actually, as much very small than the she's very smaller than the Taj Mahal, children. To find the height of the these Taj Mahal, we can't find, is it? We can't find by using our scales and by using our tapes here. Okay. So, the children trigonometry helps us to find use height, children. Use heights, isn't it? So, like Taj Mahal and Eiffel Tower and even 24 floors building also, isn't it? And also we can find the distance between two stars, and also we can find the distance between two planets, and also distance between you and me by using trigonometry, children. So that, children, is the most powerful chapter. If you ask me, I will say, children, my answer would be that is the most powerful chapter. But the most of the theorems have been um, answered by this trigonometry chapter. Okay, so let's go to the next example, children. For example, Tejanandu went to his farmhouse. So there is one tree here. Okay, so he wants to find the height of this tree, children. So the children see to find the height of tree. I think you are able to see, children, in previous example also. What you are able to see, children, in both examples. What is the common thing here? Tejanandu, can you able to say what is the common thing in the both examples?
Sir, height, sir.
Wonderful, very good. Height. Next. What are you able to say height, Mr. Tejanandu? As you are a very tallest person of your class, I think you're able to say only height, isn't it? Am I correct, Mister? Huh?
Sir,
It
no.
is 90 degrees.
What are you finding the common thing in these two examples? Sri Aksha.
Right angle triangle.
Wonderful. Who said? Who said?
Anushree.
Anushree. Wonderful. Once give a big round of applause to Anushree, everyone. I think Bhavya will applause.
Sir.
Right, children. So the common thing is children right angle triangle. Okay. So children see. So in the two examples, we are able to see the common thing is right angle triangle. So to find the height, children. So for example, let me go to the again Taj Mahal. Let's go to the Agra one. Okay. So now we are at Agra. 1 minute. Right. So for example, this Ritika is standing here. She wants to find the height of this Taj Mahal, children. So children says, okay, she can find the distance between, for example, let me see here. Let me show. So this is the point I am taking as O. And the place where the Ritika is standing, I'm taking as A. And the top of the Taj Mahal, I'm taking as B. Children. So this is OAB right angle triangle. So to find height of the right angle triangle, children, we need to find the distance between the 2 points O and B, isn't it? Are you able to understand? Are you all with me, children? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So children, see OB, we need to find the OB. So to find the OB, the what Ritika has done, she has joined the point O and A with a line segment. Understood? Okay. And she imagined a line segment from R2 and B, top of the Taj Mahal. This is imaginary line, children. So the children, it can be formed, children, right angle triangle, isn't it? Right angle triangle. What we can understand, children, by constructing a right angle triangle, we can find the height of this Taj Mahal. So to find the height of the Taj Mahal, children, only the thing is we need to find the distance between O and B. But we can't find by using the scales and tapes, isn't it? Understood? So that our trigonometry helps us to find the height of this Taj Mahal, children. Not only Taj Mahal, children, you can take any historical construction, children, you can find by using this trigonometry. So if you see this example, this is the tallest tree like Tejanandu. Okay, for example, Tejanandu is standing here. Okay, so the children see, so Tejanandu is standing here. 1 minute. So here is the Tejanandu, children. So the distance between Tejanandu and the bottom of the tree is 80 feet. And you need to find the height of the building, height of the tree. So the children, the imaginary line is this is the imaginary line. So this is called as hypotenuse. Understood? So then how far the trigonometry helps us to find these height of the tree and as well as Taj Mahal, then we are going to learn in this master class now. Okay, are you excited to learn this, children? Please type excited in the comment box. Please type excited in the comment box. Pritham, are you excited?
Yes, sir, I'm excited.
Wonderful, wonderful. Right, children, see, wow, marvelous response I'm getting everyone, children. Very good. Everybody is very keen to learn about the trigonometry. So such a beautiful topic it is, such a interesting topic, children. Now let's go to the next topic. So do trigonometry useful in daily life? Tell me, children, whether yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's useful.
Ask
Yes.
me how does it helpful in our daily life?
To find out heights, sir.
Very good, to find the heights. Very good. Just now we have have tried to find the height of the Taj Mahal, and as well as we have tried to find the height of the tree, children. Is it? Means the most important application of trigonometry is to find heights, isn't it? Now, children, not only height, children. Okay, in many fields, the trigonometry is been using, children. So you don't believe, children. You don't believe that how far the trigonometry is useful nowadays. At least once in our life, once in a day, we are going to see the trigonometry use children's application here in our daily life. But you don't know that trigonometry has been involved. That now I'm going to show that. See, let's see, children. See. So yes, it is daily useful in daily life. Children. As I said earlier, children, we can find the distance between two planets. We can find the distance between two planets. Understood? And so, children, see, trigonometry can be used to measure the height of a building or mountains. So, you are able to see, children. Okay, this is the longest mountain, children, highest mountain. So, we can find the height of the this height of the building or mountains here. And the next one, children, see, software engineers also uses trigonometry in creating video games. Do you believe that? We are all playing video games like nothing but, children. We are all playing in our mobile games also, isn't it? So I think you
Yes.
have seen the game, children. That is what kind of the game, Mr. Sinath? Can you please tell me what is the name of this game?
I don't know, sir.
You don't
Sir,
know.
can I say, sir?
Anybody knows?
Can I say, sir?
What happened?
Sir, it is Super Mario game, sir.
I didn't get you, Preetham. Please kindly say again. Come again.
Okay, sir. It is Super Mario game, sir.
Wonderful, 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 Mr. Preetham. You have good knowledge on video games. Right, children, kindly give big round of applause to Mr. Preetham, everyone. Right. So it is Super Mario game, children. So in Super Mario game, so the children see this guy is running. Is it running towards wall here? So he jumps on the wall and as well as this mountain, children. So what software engineer do, children, see? So this trigonometry, they will take the help of the trigonometry. So in Mario jump over this all obstacles here. For example, children. So for example, this Mario guy, he has to jump over this mountain. Means what exact distance has to be jumped here. Okay, what height must be taken by the Mario. So this is being modified by the software engineer by using trigonometry only. Got it? So this code will be implemented by the software engineer by using trigonometry concepts. Do you believe, children? Do you believe? Are you learning new things here? Please kindly let me know.
Yes, sir. We are. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most of the students are likely to play about the shooting games, gunshot games, isn't it? Sniper game.
Yes, sir.
Children see from the longest distance also, he used to shoot his aim, isn't it? His target here. Even in such game also, the software engineer uses trigonometry, children. Do you believe it? Is it interested, children? Are you interested? Are
Yes.
you interested?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good, children. So let's go to the next use, children. See. So, children, even for example, if you have any relatives or your parents, maybe they're in the field of construction field, children. Even they will take the help of the civil engineers, children. So, what they would children see builders. So, builders are software engineers uses trigonometry in construction buildings. And just to learn the height of the building, width of the land, and installing ceramic tiles and making walls parallel and perpendicular, and many other such things where it becomes necessary to use trigonometry, children. Children, even the construction of building also, the trigonometry is involved. Even in the design of each and every, children, I think you are able to see on the image. See the one software engineer explaining to this builder, children. So everywhere, what would be the exact height of the building and each flat and each gate and how would be the parallel both walls? Then that should be explained by the software civil engineers by using which concept, my dear friends? By using which concept?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
Yes.
Right, children. So, next, children, trigonometry in flight engineering also. Do you believe it, children? Even flight engineers also uses this trigonometry. How far you see it here? So, flight engineers, see, children. So, if you see this image, you can understand easy. So, this flight is landing here. So, it has to be land here, is it? So the children see there will be particular at the particular height, children, it has to be changed direction. That height will be decided by the flight engineers. Understood? That height will be decided by the flight engineers. So that will be calculated by trigonometry concept. Understood, children? Okay. So, yeah. So the distance and direction along with the speed and direction of the wind, and these can be calculated using trigonometric concepts here. And the next, children, see. So please kindly mute everyone. And in physics also, so I think you might have seen physics formulae and physics, isn't it? Trigonometry used to find the components of vectors. I think this will be, children, as you are studying 8th and 9th and 10th. So vector chapters you are going to get in intermediate children. So don't worry about it here. And model of the mechanics of waves, both physical and electromagnetic and oscillations here. I think you are able to see 10th class students, reflection, incident angle and reflection angle. I think you are able to see, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is this, children? It is a normal. The distance, the angle between an incident and normal is I. The angle between incident and reflective angle is R, isn't it? So I is equal to R, children. Got it. So this will be proved by and even trigonometry. So you can ask your physical science teacher, children. I'm not much perfect in physics. Okay. So you can ask your physical science teacher. Will you ask tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I already listened trigonometry in physics, sir.
Wow, wonderful.
Daily our physics sir will say to us.
Yes. Wow. Children, see, if you want to become as an archaeologist, compulsory you have to go with trigonometry. Children, see here. So where you can find anywhere trigonometry, children. Trigonometry, they used to measure the distance from the underground water systems and excavation sites. So the children, by using the trigonometry, see, children, you can see this image, this chart, see, children. So how far it is helpful here? Is it? What objects can an archaeologist find? Coins, ornaments, and pans, and pots, weapons, tools, remains of buildings, and old manuscripts, and plants, remains, and inscriptions, and bones also. How can you find, children? Is it possible to find? Archaeologist. What is mean by archaeologist? Tell me, Bhavya. Bhavya, respond.
Sir.
Tell me, how can you find by using what concept we are using to find this all things?
Trigonometry, sir.
Wonderful, trigonometry. Okay, so we can find, children, depth. So at what exact depth? So the ornaments are there and kinds are there and pots are there. So we can see, children. So by using trigonometry only, so archaeologists can be found this all the things here. And the next, children, see. And even trigonometry in criminology, you don't believe, children. Even if you want to become as a CBI officer, CID officers, okay, understood. So even there is trigonometry also, okay. So you can see this figure, children, you will be able to understand how far this trigonometry has used here, okay. In criminology, the trigonometry can help to calculate the projectile's trajectory and causes of car accidents and crimes and murders. As it says, everywhere there is trigonometry, and also trigonometry in navigation. Is it? So the children see, for example, this navy people. So I think this is, I don't know what is exact this instrument is called, children. By using this, children, So this instrument has been will be manufactured by using trigonometry concept here. So they can find what is exact position of their enemies ship children, exact position, and what is the how far they have been. So they can find easily now, and the distance. So children, it is used to navigation in order to pinpoint a location, and it is also used to find the distance of the shore from a point in the sea. It is also used to see horizon. Okay. So, and also trigonometry in cartography. Where do you see cartography, children? Tell me. Where do you see? Srinath, where do you see cartography? Do you know about cartography, Mr. Srinath?
No, sir.
No. And Ritika? Ritika?
No, sir.
Bhavyasri?
Yes, sir. In the no idea, sir.
No, no idea. Means? Anusri?
I'm thinking in the map how to find, sir.
Yes, children, see, maps will be drawn by using trigonometric concept. Even there is there is the involvement of trigonometry in social studies also, isn't it? You can happily you can say to your social sir, this map has been drawn by using trigonometric concept. Will you say by will say to your social sir?
Yes, I'll say.
Yes.
So children see, so like this children see, as you are able to see, it's all but children, it is used to creation of maps. So distances, exact position, okay, even like coordinate geometry, understood, height and everything we can see, children. Nice, right, children. So now I think you have got the clear about your clear picture about why there is need of trigonometry. Really, are you thinking so? Is it necessary to learn trigonometry, children? After seeing all these uses applications, tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We have to learn.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you go, children, where which field you select, the compulsory there will be trigonometry. Is it? There will be trigonometry involvement here. So, children, so you need to learn the trigonometry. Okay. Are you excited to learn what is trigonometry now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, children, wonderful. Now let's see.